Wealth taxes, why they don't work, and I can confidently say that because we have history and the rest of Europe to look towards. Despite what people say, you don't need to be an economist to understand that wealth taxes will not work. Let's look to Europe for an example. So pretty much every single country in Europe has had a wealth tax at some time, then got rid of it. And the reason why they did it is because it was massively damaging to the economy. First things first, as you expect, wealth taxes trigger wealth flight. That's where people who are the wealthy or the rich typically just leave to other countries where the tax is more suitable for them. So the second thing is wealth taxes are actually really expensive and timely to administrate. Wealth or assets are not cash, so they constantly need to be valued all the time to ensure that people are paying the correct amount of money. And this is where the expense and the time comes. Now, the Greens and certain parts of Labour who advocate for wealth taxes have been claiming that they will create or bring in roughly around 22 to 29 billion, depending on who you speak to. Now, if we look towards Spain, for example, who still have a wealth tax, their wealth tax only brings in roughly around 600 million a year. Wealth taxes never bring in the crazy amount of money that the Greens and Labour claim. The question you need to ask people who advocate for wealth taxes is, what will happen when the state runs out of the rich's money? Now you're injecting apparently billions and billions of pounds more into the government, which inevitably will increase in size. I'll tell you what happens. As with all taxation, at some point, it'll be the middle classes that end up paying it. And let's not talk about the fact that most people who advocate for wealth taxes are also fans, or typically seem to be fans, of central planning, which is a slippery slope to the bottom. Let me know what you think in the comments.